What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Look what we got out here. You bring your by. My truck's still dirty though.
I wasn't expecting to go to the rain.
That might look good.
Here, I'll open the hood for you.
Nice. Buddy, watch out. Dang. The battery right here and everything. That look nice.
The back, just watch the back, record.
Oh, yeah, how the top electric. Oh yeah. That's crazy.
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah, yeah. That's nice.
Wanna go for a ride?
Yeah.
Ain't that much leg room.
Huh?
I said there ain't that much leg room.
Oh, shoot. I'll be alright.
No, I'm talking about for the kids in the back.
Oh, yeah.
He hadn't driven it.
That's crazy.
I'm fixing to drive the shit out of it for him.
Yeah.
Oh, the Enzo I picked up yesterday when we got back from at the airport. They shipped it here by airplane.
The Enzo?
The Enzo.
Dang.
So I got all his cars for Easter Sunday.
Oh, yeah? You gonna pull this one out?
Yeah, I'm gonna pull this one out Easter Sunday.
Man, you hear that thing kick in. You hear the turbos kick in. That sounds good. Yeah, I like it.
Also, I gotta take one of this.
You gotta do
Pallet. I have it
yeah.
on auto.
Oh yeah, yeah. Man, this smells nice.
I took it on the south side. I didn't know how to act. They're like, what the hell?
Yeah, yeah.
I wasn't expecting to see this in the south.
Yeah.
We'll pass by Wilmos and then come back.
Okay. Yeah, oh, there go the turbo. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. They tell you to boost. That's nice. That red key. You can fit.
I mean, I'm gonna have to park it out in the country like this?
Huh?
I have to park it out in the country.
You gonna take it to the house?
To the house.
What? Where your truck at?
My stepdaughter does it right now.
Oh man.
I'm coming back. I'm turning back around now. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. All right, bye.
Woo! I like it, man. I pulled the bed out yesterday. I just rinsed it off, man. Yeah, I like this, man. put it on the loop.
I already took it on the loop. It was going 200 and something miles an hour.
No, you would. You probably hit 100. Sick grip too, man. She stick to the road too, man. Like, I like it. Yeah, she stick to the road good. My bet would have been peeling out.
Oh, I haven't put it on sport mode.
Oh yeah, nah, leave that off. Leave that
You'll
off.
lose control off of that one.
Yeah. We end up into a pole or something. For real. That's nice. Yeah. Hey, one day, guys. One day. You gotta manifest it. I like, a lot of people don't like Ferraris. Like, everybody like Lambos. I'll take a Ferrari any day. Have you seen them hatchback Ferraris?
Oh yeah, I've seen them already.
Yeah. They clean too.
I said I gotta take this to my brother so he can see it. Get in his videos.
Yeah, I like it, man.
It's a head turner.
Oh yeah. As soon as they see that yellow badge on the side, it's a wrap. Pops. That must sound good. I like it. Appreciate it, man. Ooh, got that peanut butter. California. Yeah, it run good, man.
Let's make Grandpa.
It run good.
I'm in a Ferrari.
I know, I do. I need one of them. I need to give me one. Yeah, I like it though, man. It's clean. I appreciate the ride.
Turn that off.
All right, guys. We brung out the Ferrari today, so we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.